How to get rid of cough and phlegm fast with homemade syrup at home. Carrots are an incredibly nutritious root vegetable and are a great source of nutrients, such as precursor vitamin A, B6 and beta-carotene. The high content of carotenoids found in carrots has been linked to a reduced risk of cancer. Aside from improving your vision and fighting against cancer, the amount of vitamin A in carrots has been shown to help strengthen the immune system. It is also highly beneficial for strengthening the respiratory problems, alleviating asthma and other lung issues. All of these properties make carrots a great ingredient in any natural, cough-curing remedies. The fact that they are a natural respiratory aid and have also been shown to strengthen the immune system, makes them perfect for fighting a cold or any other sickness that affects the respiratory tract. Honey has antibacterial properties and is an effective cough remedy. It has been proven to help reduce coughing in individuals who suffer from respiratory illnesses. Here is a quick, simple and all-natural remedy that will help you stay healthy round the year. Homemade cough syrup recipe. Ingredients: half a kilogram of organic carrots, 3-4 tablespoons of raw honey. Directions: dice the carrots into small pieces and place them in a stainless steel pot. Fill the pot with water with enough water to submerge the carrots. Bring water to boil and then simmer until carrots are softened. Remove them from the pot, keep the leftover water, and mash them with a fork or spoon. Mix the leftover carrot water with your raw honey. Combine the honey, carrot water with the mashed carrots and blend in a blender till smooth. Store in an airtight container in the fridge for no more than 3 days. Consume at room temperature. Usage: this mixture can be consumed on a regular basis. Take 3-4 spoons of it per day, and if you are suffering from any respiratory problems, you should start to feel a difference after the first or second day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more natural cures and weight loss tips, subscribe to the channel.